Concealer serums, this is seriously something new, right? This is NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I have taken it in 4 shades. I'm going to show you swatches. I'm going to show you which shade suits me. So if you are similar to my skin tone, you will come to know about it. Let's start. And NYX says this is our first skincare serum in concealer. It has vegan formula and this is a cruelty-free product. This water-based liquid concealer is packed with skin-loving ingredients. When I used these concealers first time now, I was like, what a formula. It's so good. It's like serum, like ekdam light hai. And you don't even need much product. Like aap ek pump lete ho. This has a pump packaging, very different one. So I like the packaging as well. I've used tan shade today, दो कोट्स लगाए हैं इसलिए मुझे मीडियम टुवर्ड्स फुल कवरेज मिल गया है. I haven't used any orange or peach corrector. Won't feel like you have concealer under your eyes and it's beautiful formula. Now let's just go ahead and see the swatches and everything and then come back. So it has 01 fair shade which is very light for fair skin tone. Next is 02 light which is a lighter shade for fair to light skin tone and has slightly beige undertones as per me. Then there is 03 vanilla which is again for fair to light skin tone. This has nice yellow undertones I feel. And next is 4 beige which looks yellow light shade. There is 05 golden which has warm undertones. Then there is again 06 tan which has more warmer undertones. Then comes 07 medium which has beige undertones and 08 camel is definitely a deeper and warmer shade. So 05 golden is very light for my dark circles, so my under eye area looks horrible. I'm going to try number 7 medium shade because it's very hydrating and lightweight. So जिनकी dry under eyes है उनके लिए perfect रहे. So let's apply this. My eyes are slight watery because of trying these concealers every now and then. So please like this video and share with your friends if you like and feel that it's helpful video. So that's the first layer of this medium shade. I'm gonna build it up because feels like I have still the shadow here. That's how 07 medium looks like. Because it has beige undertones, it's not giving me correction under my eyes. If I have to correct my under eyes for the darkness, I need to add the warmth. The orange or peach tones is already a serum concealer. So don't add too much of moisturization under your eyes. You can use hydrating under eye cream, not very moisturizing. Tan shade is kind of perfect for me because it has warmth in it, so it corrects my under eyes compared to 07 which is the next shade, medium shade, which has beige undertone. So undertone really matters. Hey, you're back. So definitely we will talk about the last shade which is camel, which is a deep shade which will not suit me. मैंने ये क्यों लिया? Because definitely आपके दिमाग में ये सवाल आ सकता है कि यार ये इतना डार्क लग रहा है फिर भी इसने क्यों लिया? मैंने इसलिए लिया because I wanted to try this as a contouring cream contour product. मैंने अभी तक ये वैसे try भी नहीं किया है आने के बाद से. So because we have like inaugurated it today, I will definitely use it as a contour shade and then I will show you in one shots. Overall, I love these concealers. You can definitely invest. I hope आपको आपका shade समझ में आ गया होगा. कुछ भी confusion है तो comment section है वहाँ पे पूछ लेना. And ऐसे बहुत सारे videos हैं मेरे चैनल पे, Maybelline, Swiss Beauty, सारे concealers, foundation सबके, which are 110% helpful and useful to find out your shade, guys. So definitely check them out. Don't miss it. I have a concealer playlist as well, foundation playlist as well. So easily check कर सकते हो. Bye bye. Take care. See you.